Express 25 degrees Celsius as a temperature in degrees Fahrenheit using the formula Fahrenheit, or F, is equal to 9/5 times the Celsius degrees plus 32. So they're telling us that we have 25 degrees Celsius. So we could put that in for C here, and we'll get the temperature in Fahrenheit degrees. So let's do that. So we'll get F is equal to 9/5 times. Now for C, we're going to put in 25 times 25 plus 32. And now we can simplify this before we multiply 25 times 9. Remember, this is the same thing as 9/5 times 25 over 1. We can essentially divide the numerator and the denominator of our eventual product by 5. If we divide 25 by 5, we get 5. If we divide 5 by 5, we get 1. So this boils down to 9 times 5 plus 32. So our Fahrenheit degrees are going to be 9 times 5 is 45 plus 32 degrees, or it's equal to 45 plus 32 is 77. So this is 77 degrees Fahrenheit.
Assalamu alaikum and malana hazırlık olsun. Bugünkü ders how to evaluate an expression using substitution. Onda ornuk san koyup kandak mında namalum tabımız dedi. Mesela mawo express 25 Celsius as a temperature in degrees Fahrenheit using the formula. Mawo Celsius gradus degan butun shu xalqarалық birlik yani shu temperaturani. Ama ba'zi g'arb ellarda Fahrenheit F bilan ishlatilgan Uyg'urcha Fahrenheit mushu birlikni ishlatadi jiq g'arb ellarda mesela Amerika, Angliya degandek. Hozir mush ikki birlikni bir-birisiga aylantirish uchun mush formula ketadigan. Endi 25 Celsius gradusni mawu Fahrenheit gradusga aylantirib baqang desa, hozir mawu F teng 5 dan 9 C qo'shma 32 degan formula orqali aylantirsak, hozir F teng hozir C degan Celsius gradusni bildirdi. F degan mawu Fahrenheit birlikka. 5 dan 9 C ning o'rniga nechini qo'yamiz? 25. 25 qo'shman 32. Mawu 25 ni hozir 1 dan 25 deb qarab olsak, shuning bilan mawu 5 bilan mana 5 qisqarib ketib 5 qilib qoldi. Undan 9 5 ni ko'paytirsak necha? 45. 45 qo'shman 32. 45 ga 32 ni qo'shsak necha? 77. Shuning bilan 25 Celsius gradus 77 Fahrenheit gradusga teng. Mushu videoning mazmuni shuka. Oxirida 77 chiqdi. Hozir men amaliy qani hozir masalan weather in Washington hozir Washingtonning temperaturasi necha desam 40 deb chiqdi. Bu hargizim 40 Celsius gradus emas. 40 Celsius gradus degan bak issiq. Endi men Celsius gradus qalansam 4 Celsius gradus. Mawu 40 degani ham shu Fahrenheit, ma F bilan ifodalangan. Shu bugungi dars mushunda o'sma